This stroller can easily fold in both directions with just one touch. Let's welcome the new Chicco Bellagio Primo Como leg dual-facing auto-fold stroller from Italy. Chicco Bellagio Primo, suitable from newborn up to 22 kg, approximately 5 years old. Everyone is talking about the one-touch auto-fold system. With just one touch, the stroller can fold automatically by itself. No bending down, no two-hand operation, and no complicated step. As parents, we usually only have one free hand. These features sound simple, but you will appreciate it every single day. One thing that I like about this stroller is the triple fiber technology, which combining a premium blend of merino wool, tencel and bamboo. This cushion delivers exceptional softness and breathability. This is also a dual functionality seat. We can remove the liner. Underneath is a breathable mesh backrest. It's perfect for Malaysia hot weather. So, would you prefer comfort mode or airflow mode? Let's talk about the outer look. This Como leg color, honestly stunning, clean, elegant, premium. It's the combination of luxurious and practical. It gives you that premium European feelings. Come with a solid aluminium frame. Come with a premium silicone coated material on handlebar and bumper bar with 4-level adjustable height. Equipped with an expandable large canopy with UPF 50+ protection and water resistant treatment. Here, have a peekaboo window where you can keep an eye on your baby. Have a comfortable seat and nicely padded. And this design is spacious, ready to fit in bigger size toddler. Come with 5-point harness with magnetic buckles and a 3-level adjustable shoulder height and a cushy shoulder padding. Removable and adjustable bumper bar. 4-level adjustable backrest and 2-level adjustable leg rest. And this surface is coated for easy cleaning. This is a dual-facing stroller, so baby still young, facing parents. When baby grow up easily, press the 2 button, switch over the seat. And now, baby can face the world. Large storage basket. Because parents always bring more things than expected. Built-in with 4-wheel suspension for front and back. Given a strong rubber wheel and a quality bearing with a front wheel of 18 cm and rear wheel of 24 cm. Enjoy seamless driving experience in all kinds of surface. Connecting brake with 1 step to lock, 1 step to release. In summary, Chicco Bellagio Primo, suitable for parents who love a premium Italian design with extra comfort for your newborn baby, super smooth handling experience, and ready with a dual-facing stroller. And most important, this stroller comes with a one-touch auto-fold mechanism. It's so convenient. So let's feel try Chicco Bellagio Primo at My Lovely Baby and get extra value. Follow us for more product review video.